What are those strange sounds coming from the depths of the ocean, and who is making them? The ocean is often filled with mysterious sounds that no one can explain. They resemble loud bangs, hums, or even screams, and no one knows where they come from. Could these be the voices of unknown creatures or even monsters? Possibly. Some believe that these sounds are made by giant sea creatures we haven't discovered yet. It adds to the mystery and makes it a bit scary. Is it true that these sounds can be heard over vast distances? Yes, some of these sounds are so powerful that they can be heard hundreds of kilometers underwater. Scientists still don't fully understand how this is possible. Could these sounds be signals from another planet? There are such theories, but there's no evidence yet. Most scientists believe these sounds have an earthly origin, but no one knows for sure. Why are these sounds so hard to study? The ocean is vast and deep, and sounds travel differently underwater.